Blood Pril is marketed as a dietary supplement that claims to support healthy blood sugar levels, improve glucose metabolism, and promote overall metabolic health. The marketing can make it sound like an easy solution for blood sugar control, but the real question is, does it actually regulate blood sugar? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in blood sugar supplements, such as berberine, cinnamon, or chromium, have been studied for their potential effects on glucose metabolism. However, supplements are not a substitute for proven medical treatment. What it does well: convenient to take. Capsules are easy to incorporate into a daily routine. May provide nutritional support. Depending on its ingredients, it may offer nutrients that play a role in normal metabolism. Where the hype falls apart: it's not a treatment for diabetes. No over-the-counter supplement should replace medications or medical advice for managing diabetes. Evidence varies by ingredient. Even if individual ingredients have been studied, that doesn't prove the finished product delivers the advertised results. Results aren't guaranteed. Any effects on blood sugar are likely to vary from person to person. So, should you buy Blood Pril? Short answer: probably not if you're expecting it to regulate your blood sugar on its own. If you're interested in using it as a supplement alongside a healthy lifestyle, it may be worth discussing with your healthcare provider. But don't expect it to replace proper nutrition, exercise, or prescribed medications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.